I'm Ritika. Welcome back to my show. National Birds Part 2. Kori Bustard. Kori Bustard is the national bird of Botswana. It is the heaviest flying bird. Scarlet Macaw. Scarlet Macaw is the national bird of Honduras. It is native to the neotropical evergreen forests. Whitethroated Dipper. Whitethroated Dipper is the national bird of Norway. It is also called the European dipper. African Fish Eagle. African Fish Eagle is the national bird of Namibia, Zambia and Zimbabwe. It is native to sub-Saharan Africa. St. Vincent Parrot. St. Vincent Parrot is the national bird of St. Vincent and Grenadines. St. Vincent Parrot is also called St. Vincent Amazon. Andean Cock of the Rock. Andean Cock of the Rock is the national bird of Peru. It is native to the Andean cloud forests. White-tailed Eagle. White-tailed Eagle is the national bird of Poland. It is also called the Eurasian Sea Eagle. Hoopoe. Hoopoe is the national bird of Israel. Hoopoes have beautiful crown feathers. Resplendent Quetzal. Resplendent Quetzal is the national bird of Guatemala. It is featured on the Guatemala flag. Palm Chat. Palm Chat is the national bird of Dominican Republic. Palm Chat is endemic to the Hispaniola Island. Javan Hawk Eagle. Javan Hawk Eagle is the national bird of Indonesia. Javan Hawk Eagle is endemic to Indonesia and is called Garuda. East African Crown Crane. East African Crown Crane is the national bird of Uganda. It is on the Ugandan flag. East African Crown Crane is also called the Grey-crowned Crane. Thank you for watching my show. See you soon.